If you are an author planning to narrate and publish your own audiobook, or a voiceover artist interested in audiobook narration jobs, you may be wondering, what is the best software for audiobook production? By best software, I mean something that is easy to use and gets your audiobook job done in as little time and with as little hassle as possible. At the moment, one of the best choices is TwistedWave. You can use TwistedWave for professional voiceover work, but it really shines when it comes to audiobook narration. Its workflow makes many of the time-consuming parts of audiobook production much easier. To understand why, let us look at the main steps involved in producing an audiobook. First, you have to record each chapter. Then you have to edit the recording and remove mistakes, unwanted pauses, and repeated sentences. You may also need to re-record missing words, incorrect sentences, or sections that do not sound right. After that, you have to process the audio so that it meets the technical requirements of the audiobook platform. You also need to proofread the recording to make sure the narration matches the written text. Finally, you have to export the finished chapter as an audio file that can be uploaded to an audiobook platform. If you are completely new to audiobook production or audio editing, some of these steps may not be clear yet. But if you already have some experience, you probably understand how much time and effort these steps can require. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced narrator, TwistedWave can make almost every part of this workflow easier. The one area where TwistedWave is more limited is advanced audio processing. You can process your audio inside TwistedWave, but it does not include the same range of advanced effects found in some other audio editing programs. However, there are simple alternatives. You can process your recordings and prepare them for different audiobook platforms without needing to understand every technical detail of audio processing. But you cannot avoid the main production tasks. You still need to record, edit, correct, proofread, and export your audiobook chapters. TwistedWave makes all of these tasks easier to manage. In this course, I will guide you through each step from a beginner's point of view. I will also show you a simple and hassle-free method for processing your audio. Before we begin, there is one important document you should read. If you are not familiar with the ACX audio requirements, your first task is to go through this document. You may be planning to publish your audiobook through ACX. You may be looking for audiobook narration jobs on ACX. Or you may have no intention of using ACX at all. Either way, you should understand these technical requirements. They explain the basic audio standards commonly used for audiobook production. The information may seem a little complicated when you first read it. Do not worry about that. As we move through the course, these requirements will gradually begin to make sense. The TwistedWave interface may also look a little confusing when you first open the software. Once again, do not worry. After using it a few times, you will begin to understand where everything is and how the workflow fits together. You also do not need an active TwistedWave subscription to complete this course. You can download the 30-day trial without entering a credit card. That gives you plenty of time to practice, experiment, and become familiar with the complete workflow. If you are watching this video on YouTube, this lesson is part of my audiobook narration in TwistedWave, A to Z workflow course. The course will help you learn the complete TwistedWave workflow from recording your first chapter to delivering audio that is ready for ACX and other audiobook platforms. You will find the course links in the video description if you would like to explore it further. To learn how to record audio in TwistedWave step by step, click the video you see on the screen.